Hey folks, welcome to another video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. We've got a bit of a treat for you today. We're going to be checking out this absolutely stunning 2014 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE. Of course, with this Highlander, you get the super fuel efficient hybrid electric engine. We have a 3.5 liter V6 mounted to an automatic transmission, and of course our all-wheel drive. This Highlander has a whole ton of options, so we will just jump in and get started right away. Starting out at the front, we've got our blacked out grille with our awesome chrome accents and of course our fog lights. Coming around to the side, we've got our black mirrors with the integrated turn signals, plus color matched door handles, and up top we have not just roof rails but actual roof rack, which is crazy handy to expand your cargo space if you need it. We also have the deep tint rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. A few notable features about this Highlander is the leather seating, and of course we do have the third row seating in here, which increases your carrying capacity to 8 people. So let's hop in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. One of the things that I really love about this Highlander is on our key fob here, of course we've got our power liftgate button, but it is the keyless entry. So if your hands are full, you don't have to dig around in your purse or your pocket for your keys. As long as it's on your person, when you come up close, your door will open for you. So if we just peek in the window here, we can see we've got this beautiful black leather interior with a really nice dark tan stitching for accent. Let's just swing around to the back, and we have a ton of room back here. We've got seating for 3 or the pull down center console. It also has a 60/40 fold down seat, so you can expand your cargo space, and we have a ton of cargo space back there, so you got lots of room. The other nice thing is our third row seating, which we will check out in a minute. First of all, I just wanted to point your attention to our rear climate control. So our vents are up top there. We've got them there and back there for your third row. And your back passengers can control the rear climate on their own, which will not affect the front. So all we got to do to check out the third row or let your passengers in is fold down and pull forward that seat. And we've got room for 3 more, expanding your total seating capacity to 8. These seats are fantastic. They can recline, they can move forward, they can move back. So everybody's going to be extremely comfortable. We also have this fantastic rubber matting throughout, so it is going to protect your carpet no matter what the season. This Highlander also comes with fresh, brand new, clean upholstery mats as well. So let's hop into the front, opening up the door. Right here we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Coming over here, I love this feature. We have our front wiper blade defrost, which is spectacular when everything's iced up. And here again is our power liftgate. Hopping on in. On this side of the steering wheel, we have our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. Over on this side, we've got all of our information that we can check out on our dash. And right down here is our cruise control. This is a push button start, of course. So all you got to do is put your foot on the brake, push the button, and you're ready to go. Looking up on the dash, we have all the normal bits and pieces. And then using those steering wheel controls, we can go through and get a bunch of extra information about your car. Swinging on over. This Highlander does come with a full navigation system. And we do have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. You also can set yourself up with satellite radio. It also has Bluetooth auxiliary power outlets and a USB. Coming down, we have our dual zone climate control. We've got our air conditioning. And right over here is our rear temperature control as well. Swinging even further is our traction control eco mode, EV mode. And over here we have our heated front seats. Another thing the Highlander has in spades is storage space. Right here in our center console, we've got a bunch of different compartments. And we've got a little bit extra room right there if you've got some smaller items that you don't want sliding around. We do have the lockable glove box down there as well. Now, if we look up, we've got a really nice power moonroof. You can just have it open for some light, or using your controls right there, you can open it up for some air. Here we also have our universal garage door openers as well. So if we just take a look around, we can once again see just how much room we have in this Highlander. It is absolutely perfect for families. Nobody is going to be uncomfortable, and nobody can complain about not having any legroom. So let's hop back out and we can take a look at the cargo space. So coming along the back side, we can take a better look at that roof rack up there. And this Highlander is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Toyo tires on there. Around back, we have our shark fin antenna, our color-matched rear spoiler, and of course the Highlander and XLE and hybrid branding. So in order to open up the liftgate, you just hold this button down on your remote and bam, it will do it all for you. You can do it from a little bit of a distance away so that when you get here, it's already set up. There is controls inside where you can customize how far open you want the liftgate to go as well. So coming up closer, this is what we have here with our third row seating up. We do have some space under here for a little bit extra storage for smaller items, or if we want our full cargo space, we just have to push these seats down. Sorry, I'm looking at it kind of backwards to do the video. And we have a ton of room, which, like I said, you can also fold down that second row and you can pretty much carry anything. So, to close the liftgate, once again, press the button and it'll do it all for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2014 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE with me. If you'd like to take it for a spin, please come on down to 1200 Leith Head Road, or you can give us a call if you just want some more details, and one of our amazing product advisors would be more than happy to fill you in. Or you can check out our website at KelownaToyota.com to get more information or to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody is having an absolutely amazing winter season. Please continue to drive safe, and we are excited to see you soon.